Hello and welcome everybody to my channel. Today we are going to learn something new. Today we are going to learn how to capitalize words. And what capitalization means, we make the first letter of every word capital. And this is gonna be dynamic. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Here, as usual, I have my index.html file linking the style, which we are not gonna use, and linking here the script.js, which is this one here. Okay, what we want is an input so that the user can input whatever the words he wants, and then the div which will hold the results underneath. So we'll have here input, and we'll have a button, we'll call it capitalize, and finally we will have the div for our result. And let's jump to the script.js. First of all, let's get those three, the input, the button, and the div. I like using a query selector, so constant. Let's start with the input. I'll call it emp document.querySelector. I love query selector. It's very simple and very efficient. So here input. The second one is the button, document.querySelector button, and finally the div, document.querySelector div. Now we have the three elements. Let's look at our website here. So that's it. We can type the words that we want here. We will click on capitalize, and then the result will appear here underneath. So what we need here is whenever this button is clicked, so add event listener, click, we will use the arrow function. And what do we need here? We need two variables. We need the first variable to hold the old array, and this array will hold the words that we enter in this input field. How that's gonna happen? First of all, we will have the old string or old array. It will have the emp.value.split, and what split really does, it turns our string or our paragraph or whatever into an array, and here we use the separator space. So here if we type just something like welcome Allah. So here there is a space. Let me zoom. There is a space here. So what split does, it turns this string here into an array of two words. The first will hold the welcome, and the second will hold the Abdullah, because there we use the separator, which is the space. Okay, so this is a split. Second, we need the new string that we will generate. Let me console log the old string so you guys understand what's going on. Here, let's click here. We have nothing. Okay, let's say my name, capitalize, and here what split does, it splitted this string right here into two words, Abdullah and El Said. So this is an array. Okay, so we want to loop through this array, old string dot for each. We will use the arrow function. Let's call it str, for example. And here what we want to do, we want to push to this new string here the new capitalized word. So new string dot push. What do we want to push? We want to push this str dot substring 01 dot to uppercase plus str dot substring 1, and that's it. And here let's say div dot text content equal whatever this new string is. Okay, let's see if it works, and then we will back to this code to explain. Okay, let's say something. Welcome everyone. Here there is welcome everyone because it's an array. So we need here to convert this array into a string by using join, and we will use the separator space. So let's try again. Welcome, and then capitalize it. Capitalize the first word here and the first character here, the first character here and the first character here. So it works. But let me explain this code here. New string.bash. We want to push into this array. Whatever the string is, dot substring 01. What this does, it takes from 0 to 1 from the string. What does this mean? It means the first character, and then to uppercase. So we want to convert the first character to uppercase, and then we will add the string.substring from the first character. So here was the first character from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to the rest of our array or the rest of our string. So what this really does, we put the first character, we capitalize it, and then we add the rest of the string. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Okay, so it works, and that was it for today's video. It works. Capitalize, and it's working perfect. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have learned something new today. I'll wait for you in the next video. Peace.